Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 14th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese sugu. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles this afternoon. Alright, so let me start with this one. Number 8532. 8532. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 27 printed digits. Well. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, need to be faster than 50 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle you need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 7 should be there. 7. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7 now. How about 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, and look, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. So the only place that have a 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are left. Let me mark those 2 and 8, 2 and the 8. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between. The only place level 4 is should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The 3 in the last column, the 3 in the column next, so in that column the only place level 3 should be there. Then let me see, need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 7 and 9 in the third row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number 8. Then, let me see. Alright. I need a 9 here, I need a 9 there. Yeah. And I need a 3 here. Well. 7 and 3. Come on. 2. The 5 here. I need a 1 here. Need a 2. Need a 4 here. Well. The 6 should be here. 6 should be there. 6. I'm thinking. Yeah. 8, 9, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. There's 3 here. Yeah. I'm thinking 2, 8, 4, and then 9. 2, 8, 4, and then 9. 2, 8, 4, and then 9. 8. Two, 8, and a 9 here. We have a pair, the 5 and a 9 in this column, the 5 and a 9 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 5 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this mix. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Need an 8 there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5 is 5, the 6 is missing here. Okay. So these 3 missing numbers should be 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Okay, 8, 8, need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. And need 8 there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 8 should be there. Need 8 here. And I need 8 there. Need a 4. 4. Come on. 6, 5. Well, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with 1 should be there. 1, 2, 4. Well, we have 1 and 2 in the second row. So no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Come on. Need a 1 here. One. Well, in the third column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. Here can be 1. Oh, here can be 1. We have 1 in the last row. No 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in the row above. No 1 there. So the only place left with 1 in the third column should be there. Okay. Now. Well. In this row, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this mix row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 6 missing numbers. Wait. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between only two places left, and 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Mark those two boxes and with 8. We have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 6 and 7. Two missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1, 4, 5. Yeah. No 5 here. Come on. 4. Need a 6 there. And I need a 2 and 3 here. I'm sleepy. Well. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left with a 4 in this column. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this third column. 4 numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then... So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in one of those boxes. In the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Unless the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in this row, middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then need a 4, need a 5, need a 9, 3, no, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5, we have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only... Oh, we already have a 4 here. Correction, the 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The only place left for 5 should be there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes in there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. So we have 3 in the in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. Oh, double 3. Ay. This 3 is not correct. Should be 3 and a 9 here. 3 and a 9. This should be the 3. Well, 3 and a 9. So here cannot be a, here should be the 3. Okay. Almost made a mistake. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1. Oh, we have another 3 here. So this 3 is also not correct. Well. Is this one correct? Where did the mistake? I need a 3 there. 3. I need a 3 here. Ay. 1. 5. Need a 5 here or there. We have a 5 here. This should be the 5. So 2 numbers left here. 1, 2, 3, and the 6 are missing. We have a 3. This should be the 6. 6 here. This should be the 3 then. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 9. Here 9 or there 9. We have a 9 here. So this box should be a 9. And what box should be here? 2. Need a 2 here. So the 2 is correct. Yeah. Final 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 also correct. The 6 goes there. 6. That's it. 17 minutes exactly. Well, not faster. Made a mistake. Should be a 2 stars rather a 3 stars. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.